Welcome to Nini Mandarin Chinese Story Listening. 酒肉朋友
Fair weather friend.
有个人叫赵鹏，不算有钱，但有很多朋友。
There was a man named Zhao Peng. He wasn't considered rich, but had many friends.
因为他对朋友非常慷慨，大家都喜欢他。
Because he was very generous to his friends, everyone liked him.
他爱请客，和朋友们一起吃早餐、午餐和晚餐。
He loved treating others, having breakfast, lunch, and dinner together with friends.
而且他们每次吃饭都是他付钱。
And every time they ate, it was always him who paid.
朋友们经常点大鱼大肉，但他从不抱怨。
His friends often ordered lavish dishes, but he never complained.
他在家的时候，一些朋友甚至不请自来。
When he was at home, some friends even came uninvited.
总是在他家跟他一起大吃大喝。
And always ate and drank lavishly with him at his house.
因为朋友比一般人多，他觉得很有面子。
As he had more friends than the average person, he felt very proud.
可是他花钱太多，存款早就没多少了。
But he spent too much money. His savings had long been depleted.
为了继续请客，赵鹏当了小偷，但被逮捕了。
In order to continue to treat others, Zhao Peng became a thief but was arrested.
他希望朋友们来监狱看他，然后赎他。
He hoped his friends would come to the prison to see him and then bail him out.
可是1个月过去了，一个朋友也没来。
However, a month passed. Not even a single friend came.
他越来越失望，不懂那些朋友为什么不来。
He became more and more disappointed and didn't understand why those friends didn't come.
1年多了，他彻底感到绝望，终于发现了。
After more than a year, he felt completely desperate and finally realized.
他们只在乎酒肉，一点也不在乎他。
They only cared about wine and meat and did not care about him at all.
一个狱友听说后，对他说：
After hearing this, a cellmate said to him,
你这笨蛋，他们只是酒肉朋友，只有利益才能维持关系。
You idiot, they are just fair weather friends, and only self-interest can maintain the relationship. This is the story behind the Chinese idiom
酒肉朋友。
fair weather friend. It describes so-called friends who are only around during good times and for pleasure like food and wine, but disappear when you need them. The idiom highlights the idea of superficial relationships based on convenience rather than true friendship.